Hello, good day. My name is Dele Ayimbo, and I would like to introduce you to one of our newest products. It's the first of its kind in Nigeria and probably in Africa. It's a product that we've tagged Import Pro because it makes the client who will be buying this product and learning from the content a professional as far as import business is concerned in Nigeria. Import Pro is a well-researched self-study material designed for importers, bankers, and investors in import business. It's designed to help importers solve critical problems in import trade in Nigeria, and this include problems like discrepancies on documents, delays in the transaction, demurrage issues, detention, delays, and damages, all leading to debt. What we've done rather with this product is to put together DVDs where we did a lot of demonstrations together with a very practical import book and put them together in one pack, and we have tagged Import Pro. Import Pro have 6 DVDs inside. The first set of DVDs is called the Import Business Master, having volume 1, 2, 3, and the second set of DVDs is called Trade Finance Master, covering letter of credit, standby letter of credit, and demand guarantee. Let me just show you the content of Import Pro. The first content I would like to show you in Import Pro is the book, and that's our newest book in town, and it solves the problem of import business in Nigeria. This particular product is so important because it answers 25 important questions anybody going into import business needs to answer. As you can see, it's an import business manual that answers 25 important questions in import trade transaction in Nigeria. It has fantastic illustration in terms of charts that helps to drive home the point. More importantly is the fact that it's written in the question and answers fashion. Now, besides this are the 6 DVD. What's interesting about this product is the fact that the DVD demonstrates to you a number of things you would like to know. We had a training recently, and some people were surprised that they've been engaging agents to help them process SUNCAP, and they're charging them for it, and they could do it themselves to help them process for them, and they're charging them that they could do it for themselves. Look at the 3 volumes. It's volume 1 to 3. Now, volume 1 of Import Business Master covers E-SUNCAP, E for MEM, and Incoterm. Volume 1 still covers B for collection, HS code determination, and duty calculation. Now, this E for MEM is demonstration of E for MEM processing and demonstration of E-SUNCAP processing. The volume 2 covers import business guideline, clearing and documentation, together with sales contracts and import process and PAR. PAR is the pre-arrival assessment report. And then the volume 3 covers zero demurrage, risk, and fraud mitigant. Now, these are live videos demonstrating how to process your import transaction online in using the trade platform, that's the trade.gov.ng, and also the SUN platform for the process of SUNCAP. Now, also what you find in the same pack is the Trade Finance Master. We call it Trade Finance Master because they are basically trade finance instruments. We treated 3 of them: letter of credit, standby letter of credit, and demand guarantee. Letter of credit, everybody is familiar with that, but the usage of letter of credit is declining in the world. So what we are trying to do is to show you how to use standby letter of credit and demand guarantee to protect yourself whenever you are handling doing trade transactions that involve bill for collection or open account. It's very important for bankers to understand the fact that whoever master standby letter of credit and demand guarantee are the people that are going to own the future of trade transaction in the world because of the declining volume of the usage of letter of credit. Now, some of the benefits of this include early detection and avoidance of trade fraudster and fraudulent document, avoidance of lawsuits arising from honoring discrepant document, better understanding of usage of dynamics of letter of credit, standby letter of credit, and demand guarantee, a better mastery of the rule UCP 600 for LC, ISP 98 international standby practice for standby letter of credit, and URD uniform for demand guarantee for demand guarantee, and avoiding pitfall that could lead to dispute also in LC transaction. It's very important for you to know that the solution to demurrage problem in import trade business in Nigeria is Import Pro. The solution to understanding E-SUNCAP and E-import permit is Import Pro. The solution to avoiding import business risk is Import Pro. The solution to discrepancy on documents for letter of credit is Import Pro. So Import Pro basically solves most of the problems, if not all the problems, that a typical importer encounter in Nigeria. If you are interested in this product, you'd like to get a copy of our Import Pro. Remember, it's a self-study research material, a self-study training material, well researched by professionals with over a decade experience in the industry. This can be delivered to you anywhere in Nigeria. All you need to do is to send us an email, tradeacademy@3thinkpest.com, tradeacademy@3thinkpest.com. You can see there on the side, and you can see our Twitter handle, @3thinkpesttrade, and you can also see our Facebook account, facebook.com/3thinkpest trade academy, and then our phone number 009-124-4449, 009-124-4449. And if you are calling from outside Nigeria, remember to put the +234, then 809-124-4449. We'll be waiting to receive your order via email, via phone call, via WhatsApp. Thank you very much for listening, and bye for now.